How much work is it to manage your own rental property, and should you try doing it yourself? The short answer to that is it doesn't take very much time to manage your own property, and you should try to do it yourself. It's a great learning experience. It's not that hard. The most important factor in affecting how easy property management is choosing the right tenant. I have lots of videos on this, and I'll make another one soon. That comes down to having criteria like how much do they make in a month, minimum credit score, do they have a prior rental reference? So that aside, how much work is it? Well, it's very little work. The kind of things that come up in the course of a month with, let's say, one property. Maybe once a month, you'll get some small complaint like sink is leaking. So you call a plumber. So what part of it is a little bit more difficult? It's when people move out. It's turnover, getting somebody out, going in and deciding what needs to be fixed, getting it ready to rent out again. Then you advertise. Then you take applications, do showings, sign a lease, and get the new person in there. But I've found ways to make all that easy. I've been managing more than 30 properties over the last several years, and it doesn't come anywhere near taking up all my time. It doesn't even take up half my time. A few hours a week at most, and most of that's probably bookkeeping. So if you're agonizing over whether or not you should hire a property manager to help you with one property, I think that's an easy one. Try doing it yourself. It's not that hard. Now, if you're out of the area, that's a separate issue. Turnover can be tricky without boots on the ground. Ask me some questions about property management.